our neighbor. Yes.
Ni majirani wetu.
Yes.
Hapa Afrika Mashariki.
Na wako kwa muungano.
Tuko kwenye muungano na wao.
Yes. Initialega muungano wale wa Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania.
Yes. Yalele yuko kiadaduka.
Yes.
Ukioya ukiingira Rwanda na Burundi.
Oh yes.
Ukiikara ukiingira metagwo South Sudan.
Yes.
Ukiikara ukiingira metagwo DRC.
Ina macokete gukirira andu muno.
Na recently shumari ni merika kuingira.
Yes. So we have flexed our muscles and we are growing. We even have an anthem that turafatara ko tuginya ciugo cia anthem wereku.
Ya Jumuiya ya Afrika Mashariki.
Well, Gen Z ni moyo todo it's in their curriculum.
Acio ni mamethomete na makemeina thukuru.
Yes.
Unlike some of us.
No, the millennials largely, you know, to pledge to the Kanaga. We used to consider it an oppressor's.
No, we refused to withomithia loyalty pledge.
Yes.
That was an oppressor's tool.
You were talking about the Nyayo philosophy.
Iyo ni twaregire gwibundithia.
Rero rwa East Africa na ruori. Tutiro muno. Na tukigwa kinu. Mungu twaomba ulinde. Jumuiya ya Afrika Mashariki. Tukinya. When they start hitting the octaves, tukare kamathie. Jumuiya yetu. But my children sing it very well. Reu nyuma Rwanda. Of course, they are still in the process of the electoral process. Ni maracogire ke
ira marari githurano ine.
Yes.
Ira ni marari githurano gia guthura president na bunge.
Yes. Na ko matiga what if ne thiko inya.
No, I'm surprised.
I don't even think their TV stations ne magiaga ka signature tune. No go ku ka signature tune to you ahead of you. Pedem pedem pem pem pedem pedem pem pem pedem pedem pem pem. Kaiwa rakani.
Diresirio na TV cia Rwanda ri.
Yes.
Matia thagataaramu na wachanganuzi wa kisiasa.
Tha ciga nae ko tha ici president nio ikaine.
Magithie toro ni maroe mucindi.
Yes. Kongo tiate pedem pedem pem pem pedem pem pem pem. We are joined live our reporter from Baringo County. That's from Baringo Primary School, and if you can hear us, please proceed. Mwaganu, if you can get us, please. Well, the situation here is a little uncertain because apparently we are made to understand there is a ballot box missing. Rwanda
gutiri maundu ta mau.
Yes.
Apana.
As we stand right now, yes, I think they are provisional yet.
Provisional results.
But provisional as they are, the margin of change
might not affect anything.
No. Because of the stand exceeding expectation
is none other than
Kagame,
the incumbent,
who has been in power since 2000. Niakinya reu record ya Moi koro.
Niakinya record ya Moi Rwanda.
Yes.
Na niana kare ya kumihituka.
Yes. Uyo gina kireto Frank Habineza, Mena Felipe, Mpaye Mana, me below
expected.
Way below.
As your is way below.
Actually dire below. Todule William onyitete tiro ni ureto Mpaye Mana Felipe. Hale suje kaigana ri. Dakinyetie mwe. Eke bogo turuma idatu Habineza ujo nuo muromereire Kagame hakuhe muno
candidate number 2
ena 0.53 nyake Kagame baba yao akigira siake 99.15%.
How on earth?
Like that. No, this was a very close call. Now between the other two.
Competition irari hari candidate number 2.
Yes.
Candidate number 3.
Yes.
You know marasida daga.
Paul Kagame 99.0.
No, he had no competition.
No. And no go thiyaka hede egi. Oh well.
Na kurati ukarita ri ni improve tondu githurano kiu kingi kiriga ri ari na 98.something%.
Riu ni anaonekana
riu ni aguthaka 99.
He has pulled up his socks. Kiu kingi hota kuguthaka ri kari a jomo. Aka ne kare riu. Aya gemagie kifugo turuma kifugo.
But how do you win with a 99% in a democracy?
Even in the most mature of democracies in the world. Well, that is Rwanda. There is the aspect of the fear of their history. But on a Korean aspect here,
look, you cannot be that loved in a democracy.
No, Supreme Court ya okuri. Ona mati expectaga ona matire ma fathom ati no maikare thi marĩrĩrie na nullification ya presidential election because this is too decisive.
No, 99% ukithi go challenge ki.
Ura challenge ndo we na 0 point. Oh no, wakili Lumumba, the maxim of the law is always the minimis non-curate lex. You know, small things that the law knows no cure. Yes.
I had Leonete Bishaya Balotia or Rahana.
Yes.
Here is the photo. Kagame win 99% today. Haria Karata Dinika Balo today.
Yes.
Niara Here Aya Marasi Dana now.
Yes.
Akoro Ewa Moisho Haria Karata.
Yes.
I on my hair, they pulled nothing.
They are lame ducks.
You can't tell you, okay, Corono Togaretti, Bala Pepa Hare,
you get a margin of advantage.
You get an advantage.
Yes.
I do a number hero.
That is a picture she did.
You know, let me be the last.
Just put me at the last. Mine is a sure bet. These people, they like me. I'm likeable. Because clearly speaking, it's just like saying even their relatives never voted for them. Those people are the non-starters. You see, I cannot do anything about the fact that the Rwandese people, they like me. And they vote me in with a landslide victory.
IBC yao nekwenda bethi githomo Rwanda.
Yes.
Tugikia kura muthenya ungi tukamenyaga mucindi no.
No kunaita na niyo riu no irehe maundu matari mega. Ana.
Ona dirona ite. No, it has never happened.
Ai vajira ile arugamite muhe 0 point. Wewe unapea sufuri. Sufuri. 0. Chuma moja na Raila. Mumpe sufuri.
Watu si wajinga.
Hata Wajakoya hakupata sufuri. Na ule mwingine alikuwa na alama ya mbuzi.
Mwaule.
Ule mwingine ya bangi hakupata sufuri. Munapea sufuri. 0 point. No, these things you can never witness them in this country.
Asa.
No.
Go geretie pio leon. Ewe popular candidate githurano-ini gia president.
Yes.
Ugeretie pio.
It is 51.
Tuge ukinye I think Uhuru got a 55
there. Yes.
Gukinyia 60 riu guku.
Thigirite guku ri. Ni uguthithina. I know Museveni is very impressed.
Congratulations, my brother. My fellow genius. Kagame, my fellow genius. Congratulations. That's how we win. That's not a decisive win. Have you tweeted? Tweet so that Ruto can see on X. You scored how many?
It was just a trial of 99%.
So I will beat your record. Coming elections, I will get 99.9. The rest shall share 1.
0.1.
They shall share 0.1. Umewashia sana. It seems that your campaign was very weak. You were supposed to get 99.9. Change your agents. Elections must be decisive. Change your agents. 99. What you got is very low.
No, call Ruto. Tell him.
Tell Ruto to share it with you. It's called Wabukat. Or it's called who? Or it's called Chiroba. No, you need to check on your agents. Your votes were stolen. You were supposed to get 100. I was following closely. If they steal the president's vote.
No, I am just okay with what I got because our biggest challenge and problem is reading Rwanda. And I already won, so we are just going to go on.
No. If you are supposed to get 100, you get 100. Change all your agents. Me, I'm going to get 100.
99%.
Yes.
Purori mugima.
Presidential elections.
How now?
Mgechuje kia mirongo kenda na kenda. Turumemwe.
Well, as you say, it's Rwanda.
Bona tagathia ku. Oria muigua ati ni mathie kundu. Ona matagikena.
No.
Otometole observer mission taru as a journalist. Ana kio gatatu andu live Rwanda. Try my you to meet the Seth go to go. Alright. The election came and ended as quickly as it started. The short awaited election results came streaming so fast. By the time we took a nap and woke up, the call had been made and Kagame had won with a clear margin of 99.1. Shit, Lale!
No, they could have on about last week in Githoma. International media, the Marauga got it.
Yes.
Kagame was largely expected to win.
Largely? No, reporters are kuru ni mathia ma camp kodu kiumia. Well, we are yet to receive confirmation from the returning officer on there were issues with some 16As, which we are told by close of business tomorrow we shall have that information, studio. When we went to sleep, 3 stations had not yet presented their results. Upon waking up, Kagame had done it again. Said, Ulali, Kigali, Rwanda.
Ona kura ciahingwo kuria polling station ri igetarwo ri mundu akiruga ba agent na atarithia githurano igagithomwo riu ballot by ballot riu rathia Kagame
okay to Felipe
kuga we kundu kuingi.
There are no signs that any of the other opposition leaders would launch a petition, being the grounds are very, very minimal. From Kigali, Rwanda.